This was supposed to be simple. Like, why do we have so many Shein models? Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to talk about the most stylish Big Brother queens. I'm talking about consistency on social media. I'm talking about the impact. Which outfit we still like want to wear, want to see the person wearing. Another thing, versatility. Can anybody in the world wear that, or is it not accessible? Those are very important to me. So I'll start with my top 10, and please tell me, who did I rob in the comment section. Number 10 is Tandek. Yes. I feel like if she was consistent, she would be a lot higher. One thing about Tandeka is that she loved to be comfortable, she loved to be modest, but when she go out, she makes sure she wear elegant, classic, timeless clothing. That white lace that she was wearing, glamour, is something that she can wear again in the next 30 years and nobody will question it. And that's how Tandega is. That's why I'm putting her in this list. Let's go to number 9, Neliswa. Neliswa was consistent until whatever that happened. Neliswa was posting each and every single day. But one thing about Neliswa's style is that she looks like a businesswoman. She looks like a woman who understands herself. She looks like a woman who come now and say that let's talk about the predictions. You know, how she's tailored. Everything is intentional about her. That's why she is number 9, but she has not been consistent because consistency matter in this business. I've seen her page, the engagement is low because people tend to forget about you if you're not being consistent. And number 9 is Nate Setwaba. Guys, who still remember the late night parties in Big Brother Umlilo? Nate and Nsuku, they will eat and eat and eat. Bruh, let me tell you something about Nate. Ne? She understands her body, she understands her face, and she understands the skin color. Not because you are yellow bone or you are a dark bone, you should wear everything. No, you can wear red, but wear red that suits your skin color. Wear brown that suits your skin color. Don't wear things that dim your light, can. You know what I mean? I feel like Nate is very artistic in a way that she understand her powers and what she could do with what God has given her, and she excel in doing that. Number 7, Ashley Ogo. The girl, she's a showstopper. Every day she steps out, she makes sure that people are gonna talk about her. I'm talking when she went to Lagos. I'm talking about when she is going to her things, what we call her events. AO, when she was launching, Ashley has this style, man, that looks very dramatic, but it doesn't. I think if I was gonna do that, what Ashley's doing with her hair, her style, I was gonna look messy. But she doesn't. She look well put together. She looks like she understands what she's doing. I'm like, girl, how do you do that? Number 6, Didn't. Didn't, as time goes, I feel like she's still learning who she is, what she wants to wear, but mostly she's wearing like streetwear, which is like something for her age, college student. They wear like that, and she is consistent on social media, and it's something that you can wear. I mean, if you're a college student, you can wear that each and every single day. And now we're going to enter into my top 5. Before I do that, please tell me in the comment section, who are your top 5 most stylish women in Big Brother Mzansi. At number 5, Makhosazana Twala. Guys, this is my favorite name. She know her body. She know her assets. She understands that her body is an accessory. She just needs to style it. You know what I mean? If you look at her page, Kosi is giving regali, which means Kosi rain. She is always ready to be on anything. It could be a meeting, it could be going to gym. Like, she's very versatile and consistent. You know what I mean? She wear for her body. She understand her body. Like, guys, just because you have a good body doesn't mean you have to wear every sack and rack that you see. And Kosi understand that. I love it for her. Number 4, Koki. She's a fashion forward girl. She is breaking the gender norms. She is making sure that her clothing, what she wear, the style communicates to you. You will understand who she is by what she's wearing. I love her down. Let's go into the top 3. Drum roll, please. Yes, Jojo.
3.
When I first time saw Jojo in Big Brother, she was a mess. She could not even do her hair. But look at her now. Like how she understands her body, how she understands her skin tone, how she does her makeup, hairstyles. Jojo deserves some applause. Like, girl, wow. Wow, 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 wow. And this one, guys, I think it came to one thing. How social media is arranged, the top 2. It came down to that. Otherwise, they both deserve number 1. But at number 2 is none other than Yolanda Munya. And I think it's because she's a model. She looks like an editorial, something from Harper's Bazaar. Like, whenever she wears something, she makes sure. Hairstyling, she's very experimental. You know what I mean? And the makeup is always on point. So I love you. Number 1. Ha! Are you ready, guys? Number 1 is Ntsuku Mabunda. Okay. Let me say it again. Ntsuku Mabunda. Guys, Ntsuku has a thing. Ntsuku understand the game. Ntsuku is consistent. Just look at her social media. Look at that. Do look at that. You see, she understands her skin tone. She understands, like, she's golden. Ntsuku, I've never seen Ntsuku one day, not even one day, wearing a track pant going to an event or going for a lunch, like looking messed up. Ntsuku, she's gold. Do comment in the comment section, who do you think is needed in this list and who should I drop from this list? And I'll see you in my next upload. Goodbye.